Getting out into the countryside is just a chance to take a deep breath, reset, hear the bird song, and just take a moment for myself.
For me, nature is so inspiring. It's where I feel I recharge my emotional, mental health.
The best part of connecting with nature is getting to see the seasons change.
And take some slow time, and slow time is really important in the hustle and bustle that people have these days.
And for me, it really starts my week off in such a beautiful way.